7 a.m. December 1st, 2019, right here at the Good Honey Bee Yard. We're having a bit of rain this morning, and as you can see, the bees are still working. Although it is raining like this, the bees are still working. Let's see what they're coming in with. Yeah man, they're battling the weather. They're looking pretty quiet though. Alright, they're coming in with the pollen on their legs. Some of them looking a bit heavy. I see some of them circling here before they land. I don't know if it's the rain. Okay, so that's the first of the last day in this year. I thought I should make this little video so that we can keep track. Let's see what these colonies are going to do within this month. What is happening over on this side? Nothing much. Everything quiet, man. As the sun is up and about now, I guess these colonies will begin to get a little heated up, and that will cause them to go out and forage a little more. So this month seems to be starting up a little bit quiet, and what I am observing is that the speed of the bees coming in is not so fast at this point in time. There is no, if the bees coming in and they're coming in pretty fast and going out pretty fast, you know that something is flowing, so that they need to get it. Everything is quiet this morning. Everything is quiet. In their way, man. They're bouncing me on my forehead. I need to get out of the way. What is this here? A little piece of debris. Okay. I'll appreciate that a lot. You're in the wrong house. That is why they're frisking you. Come over here. You make a wrong turn there, man. You drift to that side. Right about now, you can subscribe, if you haven't done so already. And hit that bell icon there for me so that when I do another Good Bees video, it will come directly to you in your mailbox. You're getting it first, man. You fanning in the wrong direction. Put your body so. Right. That is the way. You have to know where to fan, you're young or what? Sometimes the young bees doesn't get it right. You need to practice a little bit. They hold on the next one there again. Oh, you're going in the wrong box. Yeah, they definitely working a number on Chile. All right, we leave them to sort it out. We're getting more and more aggressive on Chile, way. Okay, folks, thanks for watching. And just remember, this is the first of December now. We have our appointment for later on in this month. So stay tuned for that. TTFN. Bye for now.